Hello everyone, namaste. Hope you all are doing good. So today my topic is related to UCI only. So we are going to show how we can create the modern driven app in the UCI. So first, as you can see, you can log into your trial instance or your main instance where you are working, and so when you open this Dynamic 365 online in UCI, and then one thing that I want to give the trick here is if you see here it is coming force UCI, but if you want to open the same instance in V9, then you can just pass here for classic, then it will open your classic view, it means V9 view in your same instance. That I'll show at the end of this video. So as our topic is to create a modern driven app, so when you log in into your CRM, so first thing that you can see is the web app. So web app is a default app, that is I am going to show you. I hope nobody knows it, but I'll tell you that this is the default app. So whenever you configure your CRM, this will be the default, and those are the app that is customized app, and that or we can create our own app. So to create a new app, just go to here on create new app. So it opens the modern driven app power apps portal. So there, suppose I want to give the customer sales app. So why we create app? Basically to target a particular number of users, that this group of users are the sales users. So we can create a different apps. That's some very important and new feature in the UCI. So let's create a new app. So you can select a description, you can give the description over here, like what is all about. So I'll give its demo app. All right, then this is a use a default image, that this is the default image that it comes. If you want to give your image, then you can choose the image that you want to select from here from your system, but I am going to use as of now default app. And next is the solution, that's very important. So you can choose a existing solution to create this app. Use existing, like from which solution you are creating, you can use that solution to create this app. So I have directly come from here, but from the solution also, I'll show you in the next part. From there also you can create, from the solution components you can create this app. Next is choose a welcome page for the app. So whenever you are going to open an app, what page should come? It should open your sales entity page, it should open particular dashboard, or it should open a particular form when you are opening this app. So you can choose that, and enable mobile offline. This the other option is also available, so you can see your app in offline mode of the mobile. So next, once I have given those settings, I'll go to the next one. So that's, I'll create a done, and okay, 1 minute. Okay, so user, I as I choose the default solution, that's why it came directly to here. I will show you another way also, like to a particular solution. So if you key configuration missing, sitemap is missing over here. So here you can give the sitemap settings, you can create the new area and the sub area, and like we have in the previous V9 version to create a sitemap. So you can configure your sitemap over here, and then save and close. There are error, but you to resolve this error, you have to give the proper sitemap to it. And then 1 minute. Okay guys, something went wrong, it's okay, let me delete it, and then I come here. Okay, app designer. Okay, so here you can configure your sitemap. Here you can give your dashboards and business process flows that your site map should contain. And here you can add the entities. To add the entities, you can select here, and so when you add the entity, it will ask, well, like we want to add forms, view, charts and dashboard related to that entity. That also you can configure in your app. So this is how. So once you configure all those settings, then if you click on save, it will, if there is no error, then it will get saved. And then after getting save, you can validate it, and one warning is there, that's fine. And after validating it, you can publish. So until you don't publish your app, you will not able to see over here. So first thing is that after configuring all the configuration, you have to publish your app. So after publishing it, if I refresh this, you will be able to see your app over here. So let's see, is it coming or not? So solution, wait, customer service, not this one. Okay, not this one. Maybe this is the trial instance. I cannot, it's not, we are not able to see it. Sometime it happens. Okay, let's create new app. How it's coming, let's see it. Maybe it's not published, so I'm giving the demo app. Now let me use the existing solution to create this app. Okay, that's why we didn't. Okay, so use existing, this is another way. So use existing solution to create app. If you do that next, you can give the demo app. It's not a mandatory, but you can give if you want. Demo app. Next is a selected solution, so I am going to select the default solution. So you can choose the solution for which you want to configure these apps. As of now, I'm selecting that default solution, and then you can choose a configure sitemap later. It means like once your app is created, then the last app I have shown you, right? So there you have to create the app. I have to create a sitemap manually, but if you select a sitemap from here also, it, like, you can create your sitemap. Then after creating a sitemap, you can choose here which sitemap you want to configure here. So once it is done, my app will be ready. Let's see. Okay, I hope you guys are doing good in this very panic situation of COVID-19. So the best thing that you can do is learn something new. Okay guys, so here you can see sitemap came and dashboard came, and this is the entity. If I want to remove, suppose this entity, I don't want this entity to be here, then I can select it here, and you can see I can remove. So why this, and I can choose which form I want to see. In this information form, it only contains so information form. If you don't want to show all the forms, so you can select from here. See, like this. Okay, so from here you can modify the form also. Okay, so if you don't want to select, or if you want to, like, see this form got deselect, so it means this form will not come to your application. So that's it. So if you save it, it will save. It's very easy and good feature of the UCI. So sitemap is publish. Let me publish this app. So this is a demo app. Alright, so it got published. I hope it should come here now. Demo app here. So last time I created a customer sales app, so that came here, and this is the demo of unified interface. So if I click, from guys, one more thing is manage your role. So you can give the role of to users to whom you want to see your app. Like suppose I don't want to see that app should be used by the services people. This should be used only by the sales people. So I can give the sales manager and role that to whomever I want to show this app. Once you come here, so another feature is if you want to see really, like sometimes we have multiple apps and we randomly click on it and we are not able to see from which app you are inside. This is very important. So then if you see here, I can see demo app. So by this you can see, oh yeah, I'm inside the demo app, I'm not inside the another app. So this is the way. And So here you go, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you are liking my video. Thank you. If you're liking, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.